Hi guys, today we have with us Aishwarya and we want to know about your story, especially from the XAT 88 percentile. So yeah, XAT, I always said XAT is a savior, especially those who have not done when the CAT exam. XAT come as a savior for most of us. और भी XAT का result आया तो XAT 88 percentile of course is not a very good percentile, but she is at NIBM Pune and got a job at Wells Fargo.
Yes,
so we'll talk about all these things. First of all, let's talk about the XAT exam. How much you prepare for the exam? Weeks, months?
Actually, sir, I prepared well for CAT. It was my first time I was preparing for CAT. So I'm a mathematics background student. So I thought I will be cracking too much in Quant, but it went very bad in CAT. I scored very less in CAT. So then I applied for SAT, and that was pretty good. Like not good, but it was okay. I got 88 percentile in that. So
that if I talk about now after CAT, now even though you prepare for CAT, but you get nervous on the exam day. People get a lot of stress.
Yes, sir. Like how much we prepared, it's all about the D-Day.
Correct.
So if we are too much conscious about that day, taking too much pressure, then that exam is gonna get worse anyhow. So my weakest
CAT, you are getting used to all this.
Yes, I was. If CAT was gone, so I thought, okay, I will give next year. But still, I thought I will give a try for SAT. And my weakest part was verbal
ability.
VAT. So anyhow, I got 88 percentile and I ended up in NIBM.
So I was talking to her before that as well. So two things you need to do. One is of course focus on the weak areas. Like verbal was weak, so you need to improve that area.
Yes.
And second is mocks. Give as many mocks as possible. I think 10 mocks are good enough to understand the paper, depending on how much time you have remaining as well. So why and how you chose NIBM?
Actually, one of my friend, she was also preparing for CAT with me. So she saw your video, Hidden Gem of. So she suggested me that she is going to apply for the company, this college. So I also applied on the last day only.
Okay.
Last day of the closure of application, I applied for an IBM, and I got this call for interview.
Okay. Now that's my main question here. You were among the last people to get the call. Fine.
Yes.
Because the percentage was low and the borderline. So, what was the main factor which helped you convert?
Actually, confidence is the main thing, sir. Confidence and communication. However good we are, if we are not able to communicate properly what we know, it's of no use. So that was my major strength is my confidence and my communication skill. So that's what helped me in converting internship interviews also, this final year placements also. So communication, being good communicator and being too confident, not overconfident.
But good confidence. That's correct. And when you say communication, does not mean only how fluent you talk in English.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more about how well you are able to converse or how easily you are able to give forward your ideas.
Yes.
If you're able to do that, I think that's a good communication.
Actually, I'm from Kerala and I had a lot of, this is the first time I started, even though I can read and write English, we are not used to speak English. So I was too underconfident when I came here. So people around are speaking Hindi and speaking English. So I was so nervous in the previous first 2 weeks. Then finally I thought like I have to overcome this. Then I started building confidence on that, try to improve on that, and that's how I built this communication skill.
Correct. And it happens, yeah, because when you enter the coin, the graph instead of going up, graph goes down first. Yes. So it's your efforts, your motivation to make a comeback.
Yes, sir.
And now we can see after placement, everyone is very confident.
Yes. So coming from such a background and getting placed in such an international company, that was quite a roller coaster for me in every manner, and studies also, language barrier, everything.
Great. All the best. Yeah, thank you very much.
So much.
Thank you.